Hi, welcome back to another read. Thank you so much for tuning into a new reading from me. So I'm gonna pull some affirmation cards. They're called "You Are Awesome" if nobody told you today. So yeah, these are really fun. I haven't used these in a while, but I'm just gonna ask like what you guys could be needing to know for whoever it's for. Keep in mind that it is very general. Like these messages on YouTube are very general, and I do want to set up this boundary or just like, you know, say it. But if the read does not resonate with you, please do not comment. Now, I know I cannot control everybody's thumbs when they're watching a video or whatever, but I'm asking very nicely. Like if the read don't resonate, don't comment unless you're saying, hey. Even if the read don't resonate with you, you just want to say, hey, that's fine. I don't mind. But yeah, I'm just saying that, you know, to set up a boundary. Because it's definitely a need. It's like every so often you gotta, you know, reinforce boundaries or whatever. And that's totally fine. But, you know, if they respect it, they respect it. But sometimes you gotta do that. But yeah, let's see what comes out. Tell me, what does the collective need to know for whoever needs to hear messages right now? What are they needing to know? Okay, so we got this card right here. It's like a mountain. It looks like it's water too, or clouds. I don't know. I'm gonna just show y'all, then I'm gonna read it. But it says, usually there is more beneath the surface. Take a moment to listen. In case you are sailing, don't listen to this card and steer clear. We all know how things can go in that scenario. So for some of you guys, it's almost like kind of going beneath the surface. That's what it looks like too. It's almost like maybe there could be a need to kind of like be still and listen before diving deeper into a situation too. So it's almost like kind of checking out the view first, or like checking something out first before going deeper into it. It could be like a subject or something. Not really sure exactly where this is headed, but that's what I got so far. So let's see. Tell me more. Yeah, it's almost like, and you know what? Other people could be seeing you as, I see this card as like pretty much, this could be how you appear to other people. It's almost like kind of playing it small, or it's almost like you may not see the whole mountain or whatever, or this glacier. It's like on the surface, it looks small, but really it's a big glacier, but it's showing where it's like underneath. So yeah, it's almost like there could be more to a situation than what you see. At first, I could not tell if that was a glacier or not. It looked like a mountain, but then when I was reading the card, I was like, okay, it's a glacier. But yeah, tell me more. What else are they needing to know whenever they come across this video? So this is a pig in a suit, in a superhero suit. This is what the card looked like. I'm going to read it. So it says, I let go of those who have harmed me in the past and embrace my beautiful self. P is for the power of self-love. So okay, so listen, yeah, for some of you guys, it's almost like, and I had mentioned this before, like in a previous read, but it's almost like people could have been sleeping on you. It's like you appearing as this small glacier, but really deep down inside or beneath the surface, it's like more to you, or it's like different levels to you. Also, too, I'm seeing it for some people. It's almost like the people that did harm you in the past, or like mishandled you, mistreated you, really it's almost like it could have been surface level type of situations, whether it be relationships, friendships, or whatever the case is. Any type of connection that could have harmed you in the past or whatever. Yeah, it's almost like it was just surface level. Tell me more. What else are they needing to know whenever they come across this video? So we got, yeah, this is about friends. I didn't know this was going to be a friendship read, but it could be like, you know, a love situation too or whatever. But with this card right here, this is what it looked like. And it says, I seem to make friends that share my same race pace. I'll get there when I get there. Don't wait up, seriously. So yeah, for some of you guys, it's almost like, I feel like you surpass some people too. It's like the people that harmed you in the past or whatever, any type of connection or someone that you was connected to, it's like you heal from that, or it's like you're still healing from that. You're focusing more so like on self-love. It's like you love yourself, or you learn to love yourself from these surface level type of connections. And now you're meeting up with people that are on the same pace as you, or on the same path. It's like y'all not trying to get ahead of each other or whatever the case is. It's like, you know, y'all walking the same pace, but it's almost like if you do meet up with this person or whatever, or these people are new friends or making these type of new connections, kind of like, you know, if you surpass me, that's cool, but you know, I'ma just, you know, do me or whatever. So it's like kind of, it's your choice or their choice if you want to kind of run the same race or whatever. My phone would be ringing right now. I'ma just have to let it ring, but because I can't get up right now. Give me one more for whoever this read is for. And feel free to fast forward too. YouTube does have an option where you can like fast forward. But let's see. Tell me more. What else are they need to hear for whoever this read is for? So this is what the card looks like. And it says, my middle name is Proton, always constant, always positive. You are welcome, electron. So yeah, for some of you guys, it's almost like you could have, you could be meeting up with people who are like opposite as you. Cause it's like a turtle or a tortoise or whatever and like a bear thing. It's like they're completely opposite. But it's like in regards to energy, like your vibration, it's like know that you will meet the right friends or connections or whatever the case is along your path. I'm gonna get one more. Give me one more for whoever this read is for. So this is a shark. It's like a big shark and a little shark. Y'all probably can't see it. But it says, sometimes I check my surroundings and realize friendships are closer than I thought. Having eyes on my sides does not help with my peripheral awareness. So yeah, for some of you guys, there could be like a new friendship or some type of connection like on the horizons or around you. It's in your energy field pretty much. And you may not see it. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to read this card at the bottom too. No, I ain't going to read this. But it looks like there's been some past troubles in regards to like, it's almost like it could have been a struggle pretty much to like find people that you're connected to. And it's like you're not out here like chasing or like desperate for, you know, to have some type of connection or like a friendship pretty much. But I'm going to clarify these. Tell me about this Glacier card for the collective. Tell me about this Glacier card for the collective. Okay, so we got the Three of Cups that came out. So yeah, a lot of you guys, you could definitely be, it's almost like in a way you could kind of feel left out in the cold. Now, you're not lonely, but it just shows where, you know, you could definitely feel left out in the cold in regards to like social, it's almost like it could be like social events or whatever. It's like you just don't want to go, or you maybe it's just not your type of vibe. I feel like that's about to change for someone. That's what it looks like too. It's like these, for some of you guys, it's like you would rather be alone pretty much, or like you may even choose to miss out on certain type of gatherings or events because it's like so surface level. It's like you just can't even vibe with the people or whatever. That's what it seemed like too. Tell me about this Pig card for whoever this read is for. Tell me about this Pig card. So we got the Page of Cups that came out. So yeah, for some people, it looks like there could be, now I am seeing something in regards to like an apology for someone with this Page of Cups coming out. It's like you could have been connected to somebody who was like very surface level. It's like maybe they only hung around people, and I really, I ain't gonna say I hate, but like I really dislike that type of stuff. It's like they only hang around people who it's like they gotta look a certain way, or if they don't do this then it's like, oh, I can't hang with this person or something. It's like they didn't really get to, like, they don't really get to know people beneath the surface, like what they look like their physical appearance. Tell me about this card. I seem to make friends. So we got this Nine of Cups that came out. We got the Two of Wands showing up here too. Yeah, there's some type of partnership or like some type of connection. It looks like you could be partnering up with someone. And with this Nine of Cups coming out, now it could be like a pleasure type of situation, but you know, just take it how it resonates with this Nine of Cups, because it does talk about like pleasure or whatever. But it looks really good in regards to like going out. It's almost like going to dinner, indulging as well. It's kind of giving like food and drinks type of situation. Tell me about this card. My middle name is Proton for whoever this read is for. So we got the Six of Cups that came out. Yeah, for some people, there could be like a friend. Now, just use your intuition here as well. But it does look like possibly, and you know, with those type of connections where it's like very surface level. So whether it be like you or the other person, sometimes like people lack self-love. So it's like, that's why they only engage in surface level type of connections. But it is a past energy showing up here. Let's see. Tell me more about my middle name is Proton for whoever this read is for. So we got the Two of Wands coming out. We got the Ten of Swords showing up here. We got the Chariot coming out too. So yeah, it looks like there could have been, I feel like there was some type of ending, possibly to a surface level type of connection. That's what it looks like too. It's almost like whatever this connection was or whatever, it could have just been like the only reason why you hung around this person, or the reason why they hung around you, is maybe it was like always partying and partying. I can't even talk, party. Maybe y'all was always hanging out, drinking or something. That's what it seemed like too. But I don't know why I cannot say that. Like, tell me about this shark card for whoever this read is for. Tell me about this shark card for whoever this read is for. So we got the Magician coming out. Yeah, it looks like, now this could be a soulmate for someone, but either way, it looks like there's somebody who's coming out of the, I don't know, the shadows or something. Something's about to pop up in regards to, it's really energetically. So it looks like for some people, you could be manifesting like new friendships, new connections as well. But also too, I'm seeing it where there's like someone that you have a lot of chemistry with too. It's like they're in your energy field, but they have not, like they're not really, it's like y'all not face to face, like with the Six of Cups. Yeah, y'all not face to face, but they're in your energy. This could be somebody that you have some type of memory of too. It could be a past friend for somebody as well. Also too, for some people, I think I had mentioned this before, but whatever this connection is, it's like either you or them feel like maybe it's like they're trying to catch up with you. Because also too, it's like people could be seeing that you're on the right path as well. So it's almost like, wow, I feel like I gotta catch up with this person, or I feel some type of energetic pull to this person, so I feel like I gotta catch up or something. I'm gonna see what this Page of Cups is, because it looks like it's a message. Tell me about this Page of Cups for the collective. So we got the Eight of Cups coming out. We got the Six of Swords. Yeah, it looks like for some people, it looks like you're finally moving on. But also too, it's like knowing that it's like whoever you feel some type of energetic pull to, and I'm talking about like in a positive type of way, where I feel like you're being divinely guided or led towards a situation, but it has something to do with like a friendship or some type of connection. That's what it looks like too. So it's like you done already walked away from like these surface level type of connections. It's like you want something deeper. It's like you could have been unsatisfied in certain type of connections as well. It's like even though you could have had love for them, but it's like you just need more than that. That's what it seemed like too. especially like on a intellectual type of level too, especially with the Magician card. Yeah, it's almost like someone who you can who matches your energy, but also too it's like on a mental type of level. It's like y'all could be into the same things or whatever with the Magician card coming out. I'm gonna get one more card and I'm gonna go. Tell me more about this Page of Cups here. Actually, just tell me about the Nine of Cups. What's this Nine of Cups about for them? So we got the Empress coming out, and we got a King of Cups showing up here. A masculine water sign could be very significant, like Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We got the Empress showing up here too. So yeah, it looks like there is, I feel like it kind of feels like someone is really wanting more of like a caring, nurturing type of connections. It's almost like, I can't really quite put my finger on it, but it's kind of like you could have been dealing with people who are really quick to like leave you out in the cold. It's like when you really need help, it's like nobody's there. It's like they out partying. That's what it looks like too. It's like this could be like really all they care about. That's what it looks like as well. And that's how you know if you are in some type of surface level type of connection. It's like really no type of caring, nurturing type of feeling. It's like when times get hard, it's like you really see who's there for you pretty much. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the read here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in another video.